and namaste. It's 9:30 a.m. and you are with Ramil for an exclusive program called Whanau. Time for family. It consists of musical fun with gambling harm awareness, information for half an hour. Here we go, Whanau with Ramil. I am a public health worker and working for the Salvation Army Oasis. If you have any gambling problem, please do not hesitate to contact us. I can ensure you your privacy and it will be protected. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Let's start with the musical fun. It's song time. Let's listen to the song called The Gamble by Kenny Rogers. Here we go.
On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns of staring out the window at the darkness till boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, "Son, I've made a life out of reading people's faces and knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see you're out of aces. For a taste of your whiskey, I'll give you some advice." So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light, and the night got deathly quiet, and his face lost all expression. Said, "If you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done." Every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser, and the best that you can hope for is to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back toward the window, crushed out his cigarette, faded off to sleep. And somewhere in the darkness, the gambler, he broke even. But in his final words, I found an ace that I could keep. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. You got to know when to hold 'em, when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done.
Kia ora, talofa, good morning, ni hao, and namaste. It's 9:35 a.m. and you are with Ramil for a program called Whanau, Time for Family. As I said earlier, it consists of musical fun with some gambling harm awareness information for half an hour. Here we go. Te Whanau with Ramil. Today, I want to give a little bit information regarding what is gambling. Gambling is an entertainment that is common in New Zealand, and 90% of us gamble. So 90% is huge. Gambling occurs when we risk of something of value, usually money, on an uncertain outcome. And this program, little bit regarding this program information, gambling is, as I mentioned in earlier program also, that gambling is a hidden addiction in our community. We, New Zealanders, are spending more than 2 billion a year and 5.7 million a day in gambling nationwide. Problem gambling imposes personal cost on individuals, families, and society, like its unsustainable debt, relationship breakdowns, loss of one's job, unproductivity, anxiety, and also they get depression, gambling related crime, etc. The majority of people presenting to the Salvation Army Oasis service are experiencing harm related to the pokie machines. The Salvation Army Oasis supports the sinking lead policy because it would be effective in reducing harm from gambling by reducing the availability of high-risk gambling opportunities in the district. So, let's promote in Pause the Pokies and please make time for Whanau. Before going further, I want to put a nice song for you. So enjoy with a nice song, and the song I'm going to play is Change, and it's Count. That's the name of the song. It's Count. Here we go. Listen to
it. Smoking number brain cell. Got chopped doing numbers. Got everybody wondering how the hell I come back. No summer, got back. What's happening? Where you at? Hit the bitch on the chirp. No panty with the skirt. Nigga tryna take the work. Nigga get your ass blout. Get your ass gunned down. Right here, 100 proud. Don't make me have a flat back, nigga. Go buy 100 pounds. Drop them out downtown. You smoking L anyway. Y'all niggas in the way. Money be in the case. My hunters hold their breath, nigga, cause they blue in the face. Roberto Cabana. Don't say ain't Cabana. Louis and Batana. My pajama designer. Yeah. I rub bands start counting. Buy everything on the counter. Yeah. Everything I got on designer. Diamonds on look like a fountain. Yeah. Pop rubber bands start counting. Buy everything on the counter. Yeah. Everything I got on designer. Diamonds on look like a fountain. Yeah. Pop rubber bands start counting. Buy everything on the counter. Yeah. Everything I got on designer. Diamonds on look like a fountain. Yeah. Pop rubber bands start counting. Buy everything on the counter. Yeah. Everything I got on designer. Diamonds on look like a fountain. Yeah. Pop rubber bands start counting. Put everything on the counter. Buy everything on the counter. Shopping bag got me all bound. Bet 100,000 with the Falcon. Lost 100,000 with the Falcon. Alright. I'ma get it back cause it's natural. I put my eggs at the end like Malcolm. Got crab legs by the gallons. Got lobster tail by the pallets. Walk in the club down Alex. Sipping codeine with the scallops. Got long hair, no weave in it. Swear it was a race I lead, nigga. Yeah, I'm Bang IB, nigga. Who me? I'm BIP, nigga. Shop street when I feel like it. I don't really look at the prices. Trump creature with no license. Bitch scale, nigga, no Pisces. Pop rubber band start counting. Pop rubber band by ounce. Really let them know how you feel, day. Pop rubber band start bouncing. Oh, pop rubber band start counting. Buy everything on the counter. Yeah, everything I got on designer. Diamonds on look like a fountain. Yeah, pop rubber band start counting. Buy everything on the counter. Yeah, everything I got on designer. Diamonds on look like a fountain. Yeah, pop rubber band start counting. Buy everything on the counter. Yeah, everything I got on designer. Diamonds on look like a fountain. Yeah, pop rubber band start counting.
It was a nice song.
I took a
And
different route. I am the pick.
kia ora, talofa, good morning, ni hao, and namaste. Again, you are here with Ramil for a program called Tewa Whanau, and it's time for family. The program consists of musical fun with gambling harm awareness information for half an hour from 9:30 to 10 every fortnightly on Friday. Gambling addiction, it's really hidden addiction in our community. And gambling problems can happen to anyone from any walk of life. Your gambling goes from a fun, harmless diversion to an unhealthy obsession with serious consequences. Whether you bet on sports, scratch cards, poker, or slots in a casino, at the track, or online, or gambling can strain your relationships, interfere with your work, and lead to financial disaster. You may even do things you never thought you would, like running up huge debts or even stealing money to gamble. Gambling addiction, also known as pathological gambling, compulsive gambling, or gambling disorder. It is an impulsive control disorder. If you are a compulsive gambler, you can control the impulse to gamble even when it has a negative consequences for you or your loved ones. You will gamble whether you are up or down, broke or flush, and you will keep gambling regardless of the consequences, even when you know that the odds are against you or you can't afford to lose. Of course, you can also have a gambling problem without being totally out of control. Problem gambling is any gambling behavior that disrupts your life if you preoccupied with gambling, spending more and more time and money on it, chasing losses, or gambling despite serious consequences in your life. You have a gambling problem. A gambling addiction or problem is often associated with other behavior or mood disorder. Many problem gamblers also suffer with substance abuse issues, unmanaged ADHD, stress, depression, anxiety, or bipolar disorder. To overcome your gambling problems, you will also need to address these and any other underlying causes as well. And here I am repeating again that if you have any gambling problem, please do not hesitate to contact us. I can ensure you your privacy will be protected. And remember, prevention is always better than cure. So I'm going to put you another nice song, and I have a collection of 10 best songs about gambling and betting. So another song is from Eagles and it's Desperado. Please have fun with this song. Enjoy the song.
Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding fences for so long.
now. Oh, you're a hard one, but I know that you got your reasons. These things that are pleasing you can hurt you somehow. Don't you draw the queen of diamonds, boy. She'll beat you if she's able. You know the queen of hearts is always your best bet. Now it seems to me some fine things have been laid upon your table, but you only want the ones that you can't get. Desperado, oh, you ain't getting no younger. Your pain and your hunger, they're driving you home. And freedom, oh freedom, well that's just some people talking. Your prison is walking through this world all alone. Don't your feet get cold in the wintertime? The sky won't snow and the sun won't shine. It's hard to tell the night time from the day. You're losing all your highs and lows. Ain't it funny how the feeling goes away? Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? Come down from your fences. Open the gate. It may be raining, but there's a rainbow above you. You better let somebody love you. Let somebody love you. Better let somebody love you before it's too late.
Thank you so much. Again, kia ora, talofa, good morning, ni hao, and namaste. It's 9:48 a.m. and you are with Ramil with the program Te Whanau, and it's time for family. This is a program with some musical fun and with some gambling harm awareness information for half an hour from 9:30 to 10 a.m. Today I was sorry. Before I start, I want to mention some information regarding gambling. And although it may feel like you are powerless to stop gambling, there are plenty of things you can do to overcome the problem. Repair your relationship and finances, and finally regain control of your life. The first step is to separate the myths from fact about gambling problem. There are few myth and few fact about gambling. I really like to share with you everyone, and thank you so much for listening. Te Whanau with Ramil. And one of the myth is you have to gamble every day to be a problem gambler. Is it right? And fact is, a problem gambler may gamble frequently or infrequently. Gambling is a problem if it causes problems. And another myth. Problem gambling is not really a problem if the gambler can afford it. Actually, the fact is, problems caused by excessive gambling are not just financial. Too much time spent on gambling can also lead to relationship and legal problems, job loss, mental health problems, including depression and anxiety, and even suicide. So, I'm requesting you all, to all the audience, if you have any gambling problem, please do not hesitate to contact us. I can ensure your privacy will be protected. And my number is 021 804 339, and our office is in 41 Perry Street, the Salvation Army Oasis. And before we go, I want to put a very nice song, and it's a quite popular song relating to gambling again. So let's listen to this song. The song is by Lady Gaga, and the name of the song is Poker Face. Here we go. Thank you.
Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face.
Kia ora, talofa, good morning, ni hao, and namaste. Welcome back again. You are with Ramil and with a program called Te Wa Whanau, Time for Family. It's a program of musical fun with gambling harm, awareness, information for half an hour from 9:30 to 10 a.m. every fortnightly, and it's on Friday. Here we go, Te Wa Whanau with Ramil. If you have any gambling problem, please do not hesitate to contact us. I can ensure your privacy will be protected. And I'm again repeating that remember, prevention is always better than cure. So I was talking about some myths about gambling previously, and I want to add up one more myth into it. Some says like myth, partners of problem gamblers often drive their loved ones to gamble. That is the myth. Fact is, problem gamblers often try to rationalize their behavior. Blaming others is one way to avoid taking responsibility for their actions, including what is needed to overcome the problem. And so, please, if you have any gambling problem, do not hesitate to contact us. I'm from Salvation Army Oasis in Masterton, and this is Ramil. You can contact us anytime if you have any gambling problem. Before I go, I'll meet you after 14 days, same time, same day. And before that, I want to leave you a nice song, and please have a good day and enjoy your beautiful Friday and have a good weekend. Thank you for listening. And the song I'm going to play is Rolling Stones